my name is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers and the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and today is video 6 in our A Magical Tea Party series, and this is my design team project for LineDotArrow for June of 2023. Now, the kit is LineDotArrow's Etsy 3-year anniversary kit, and there's 25 pages and they're all just so cute, and this is my absolute favorite image from the whole kit, so I of course put it on the cover. This is satin ribbon that's going around, not paper or lace, and yeah, so the signatures are held in by elastics, and then this is the other half of the page from the front, so it wraps right around. The other part of the postcard's right there, but it's under the ivy so you can't see it. Now, there was something else I was going to say about this, but I don't remember. Okay, so when you open it up, there's a little pocket with a tag. Excuse my voice, it does this sometimes. And this is the first signature. Now his little butterfly wings are down. I tried to put them all up. I went through real quick and lifted up their little wings, but once you close the cover, then there they go. There's 2 tags in this pocket. One of them has a belly band with another tag in it for a total of 3 tags. And we've got one of our little teacups here with the word flowers. We have another teacup over here for a writing page with the word sugar. Then we have another writing page with this really cool image of this tree. I really like this. I've gone through a lot of this, in fact most of it, and used triple thick on it, which is sort of like glossy accents, but if you put it on real thin, it gives like a satiny sheen to everything. And so you can't see it on that butterfly, but all the butterflies, let's see. Yeah. Okay, I give up on that. All the butterflies and all the flowers have been enhanced with the glossy accent. I mean, triple thick. Oh, here, you'll be able to see it here. This is another of my favorite images. You can see how it's highlighted. There you go. This is a writing page with stenciling and a butterfly sticker, some lace, and the word lace, in case you didn't know that was lace. On this page is triple pockets, and the words fantasy butterfly friend, and 3 little butterflies with 3 little cards. This side over here, I fussy cut out these teacups from one of the pages, and then we have this big giant card with a lace topper on there. Most of the large cards have been stenciled and or stamped or both on the back. This is the center spread, and here's the image from the cover. Like I said, I just liked it so much I had to use it twice. But you can see on here that it's all been accented with the triple thick. I love the way it looks when you don't put it on like you do glossy accents. You can put it on like glossy accents, and it is triple thick. It's really thick. But if you overwork it, which is what they call it, then it just gives this real smooth, satiny feel, glaze effect. Here's a stenciled and stamped writing page. There's another little fairy stamped up there. This is a little pocket with the triple thick on it and a little tag. Did I do anything on the back? Yes, there's a little butterfly on the back. This is the other side of an altered paper clip, and the paper clip holds on this envelope. The envelope came with the kit, and it opens like this, and I printed the roses on the inside, and it's got some little pieces of ephemera in there that I'm not going to dig out. see if I can slide this right back on there. You never can when you want to. There it goes. If I'd have just done it instead of looking at it sideways, it would have worked. Didn't follow your own rule, right? And never take them out during a flip through. Here's 2 large butterfly stickers, and then I put the triple thick on the flowers. This side here is a large writing card and triple thick on all the flowers. Here's another decorative page with the little butterfly wings that go up when you don't close the book. And this has been highlighted as well. I love the lace and everything. All the little teacups. And another butterfly with wings. This is a pocket, highlighted. Didn't put a topper on there. Got to go back and do that. Sorry about that, discovering something during the flip through. There's always one thing, isn't there? And these have been highlighted and the wings stand up. And the first signature. This signature is a little bit smaller. I ran out of time on the videos, and so we took a page out, but I'm going to go back and put the page in to make them the same size. And I probably didn't even need to mention that, but I did. So we've got a belly band with lace on top, and then a teacup, butterfly, just decoration. And then the writing card comes out. There we go. That would have been embarrassing if I'd have glued it in, huh? When I glued the teacup on. This is a stenciled writing page. This is a floating envelope. And I love this image, so I just left it. But then, and it's got some lace. And then on the back side is some lace and a little pocket with 3 little fairies in it. And you take the fairies out, and you open the envelope, and then there's some stationery that matches this page. Which page? The page. Oh, the page from the front. This page. So you see the butterfly wing. There's the butterfly wing. I knew it matched something. I don't know if I can clip this on real quick, I'll do it. If it fights me, yeah, I'll do it after. Then on this page, you've got 2 tags and 2 butterfly stickers. I discovered these at teamu.com, and I've now become a Teamu addict. I'd just like to say, hi, my name is Terry, and I'm a Teamu addict. Anyway, there's a teacup with the word fairy. This is a large card, but it's actually a trifold. It's been stenciled on the inside and stamped. Oops, I gotta do it this way or it doesn't fold flat. Just the way it was trimmed so they're not all the same size. This is a postcard that I made into a tuck. It says fairy dust. I did have it where it sticks out. I don't know, I may put it back that way. Here's the center of the signature, all highlighted. It looks prettier in person. I don't know if that was the right... I'm not trying to toot my own horn. I'm just saying you can see the highlights and the accents much better in person than you can on camera. Here's a large tag, and it's got butterflies that I've added, butterflies that are on there, and they all have been highlighted, and the roses on here have been highlighted. Two tags going this way with your cute little fairies peeking out over the thumb poles. Writing page, a pocket in the center of the graphic of the lace, And this comes out and there's a little teacup on there. The word cream. And then the last page in the book is a side pocket with 2 postcards that have been highlighted. And I love the backs. It's all the teapots. And then this is the back of the book, and there's another lace pocket with the satin ivy and a cute little teacup tag. And that brings us to the back of the book, which I really like as well. And then we're done. So thank you for following me along with this tutorial journey. And I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and I will see you in the next tutorial series, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.